Now coming to page number 15, example 10. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So we have to choose the contradiction method for proving this problem. To the contrary, let us assume that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. We have to show that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. But here we assumed that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number which is against to the given statement. So we can express this in the form of p by q in its simplest form, because we assumed that this is a rational number. So that is root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q, where p, q are co-primes. Okay. So that is root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q. Now transpose the any one value. You can choose any one, or you can transpose root 2 or you can transpose root 3. Here I transpose root 3 value from LHS to RHS. So if you transpose root 3 value from LHS to RHS, you can get root 2 equal to p by q minus root 3. Now squaring on both sides. So if you squaring on both sides, you will get root 2 whole square equal to p by q minus root 3 whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now expand this by using this formula. Root 2 whole square, square root get cancelled here, so the result will be 2. Now a square, that is p by q whole square. Next b square, that is root 3 whole square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into a means p by q, b means root 3. Okay. Now apply the square to the both numerator and denominator, that is p square by q square. Here square root get cancelled, so the result will be 3 minus 2p by q into root 3. Okay. So in the next step, transpose 2p by q into root 3 from LHS to RHS. So here in the place of LHS, it have a sign negative, so it will be positive symbol. 2p by q into root 3 equal to p square by q square plus 3, and also transpose the 2 value from RHS to LHS, so it will be minus 2. Okay. In the next step, now simplify the 3 minus 2. So write the 2p by q into root 3 as it is, and write the p square by q square also as it is. If you simplify 3 minus 2, it will be 1. Okay. So next, write the 2p by q into root 3 as it is. Do the LCM here. Here LCM is q square, that's why you will get p square plus q square by q square. Okay. So transpose the values other than root values. So here we have root value 3, root 3. So transpose the 2p by q from LHS to RHS. So place the root 3 value as it is. Here 2p by q, here multiplies 2p by q multiplies root 3, that's why it will divides the value in the LHS. So that is root 3, write the root 3 as it is, p square plus q square by q square also write as it is. Now transpose the 2p by q, so it will be q by 2p, fraction changes. Okay. So that is root 3 equal to, here in the denominator we have q, and in the denominator we have q square. Q square get cancelled, so the remaining values in the simplified form is root 3 equal to p square plus q square by 2p into q, that is 2p q. Okay. Children, you observe that in the LHS part we have a root value, in the RHS part we have no roots. Since p, q are integers, because we assumed that p by q form, so p by q form is nothing but p and q are integers and p, q are co-primes. So p and q are integers. So if you simplify, if you substitute by taking any integers in the places of p and q, and if you simplify this will be a p by q number. So that's why this is a rational number. So if it is rational, this one is also rational, because these two values are equal in this statement here. But this is wrong, because root 3 is not a rational number, this is irrational number. A rational number is not equal to the irrational number at any cost. So our assumption that root 2 plus root 3 is rational is wrong. Okay, so write the conclusion here. Since p and q are integers, so the RHS of the equation, that is p square plus q square by 2pq, is a rational number, because I already told you, if you substitute any integers in the places of p and q, and if you simplify this, you will get a rational number. So that's why I wrote the statement here, since p and q are integers, that's why the RHS of the equation is also a rational number. So if it is rational, compulsory root 3 will also a rational number. So root 3 is rational, but this is wrong. So this statement contradicts the fact that is root 3 is irrational. సో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇలా రావడం వల్ల మనకి ఏమని చెప్తుందంటే రూట్ 3 రేషనల్ కాదు, ఇర్రేషనల్ కాదు, రేషనల్ అని ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ద్వారా మనకి తెలుస్తుంది, కానీ ఇది ఫాల్స్. ఓకేనా? సో అవర్ అజంప్షన్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. So we conclude that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number, hence proved.